Hello guys, welcome to the course overview video of hands-on infrastructure penetration testing. My name is Parvinder and I'm working as a software engineer in an IT company. Apart from being a software engineer, I'm also working on security from more than 4 years. Before this course, I have also published few courses about security and Raspberry Pi. So, I hope that will help me to put my thoughts more clearly in front of you. This course is divided into 5 parts. First part is about the lab setup and the software installation. In this section, we will basically set up a penetration testing lab from very scratch. This penetration testing lab will have 3 different operating systems in it. One will be our hacking operating system called Kali Linux. Other two will be our practice OS called Metasploitable 2 and Windows 8.1. After doing the setup of lab, we will head over to the section 2. And the name of this section is Exploring Penetration Testing. In this section, we will talk about the layman definition of penetration testing. Then moving forward, we will also take some good examples to explain the penetration testing in detail. After explaining the definition of penetration testing, we will talk about the different types of penetration testing like white box testing, grey box testing, as well as the black box testing. Not only that, we will also talk about the active and passive information gathering. Moving forward, we will also exploit a virtual machine called Q-Patrick's Level 1 machine. This virtual machine will help us to understand how actually the hacking process works. After learning about the core aspects of the penetration testing, we will start off with the third section. And the name of this section is System Exploitation. In this section, you will get to know about Metasploit, creating a payload with MSF Venom, using the encoder to encode the payload, as well as creating an undetectable payload that cannot be detected by the antivirus. After that, we will explore the reverse shell and we will hack the victim's webcam to see the live streaming on Kali Linux. Not only that, we will also talk about some advanced command like keystroke recorder. As soon as we will start the keystroke recorder on the victim PC, all the keys typed by the victim on his PC will be forwarded to us. In this way, we can also grab some sensitive information like the Facebook or Gmail credentials. Moving forward, we will talk about the next section named as Web Application Penetration Testing. In this section, we will talk about the basics of web app pen testing. Later in this section, you will also get to know about proxy, its types, intruder, repeater, and interceptor. After talking about the burp suite in detail, we will talk about a severe vulnerability called remote code execution. At the end of this section, I will also explain the SQL injection vulnerability, and then we will exploit an intentionally vulnerable virtual machine called Q-Patrick's Level 2. In the last section, we will start off with the basics of network penetration testing. We will set up the monitor mode on our USB Wi-Fi adapter. After enabling the monitor mode on a USB Wi-Fi adapter, you can jam any Wi-Fi router existing in a particular area. Not only that, you will also get to see how many clients are connected to a particular Wi-Fi router without even connecting your PC to that Wi-Fi router. Later in this section, we will crack the password of a Wi-Fi router with the help of CPU, and then later on with the GPU. If you are a beginner or at the intermediate level, this course will be helpful for both of the persons as I will start all these things from very scratch. Let me tell you guys, course content is not limited here. If you will join this course, then you will get the exclusive access to the resources files that are having lots of content in them. So what are you waiting for? Just join the course and see the magic of learning.